Hello, folks. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually order food and any eatery items on the platforms hosted by the restaurants themselves, instead of popular common platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, which has multiple restaurants. There are platforms where select restaurants or only one restaurant, like the say in Bangalore, say for example, I order in this place called Chowman, which is also available in multiple other places, many other places. And if I'm ordering Chowman, I can order it on Swiggy, Zomato, or there are other apps also like Magic Pin, Pin Code, no, Pin Code, no, Magic Pin, and many others. Or I can order on Chowman's app or website itself. So, what is the advantage of that? Let's see. So I'm going to open up Swiggy and I'm going to open up Zomato also, and I'm going to show you how ordering on Swiggy and Zomato, has different prices compared to something like ordering on the platform hosted by the restaurant itself. So, for example, let's just say okay, I need to sell something. Let's just say I just do this. Let's say go for Chowman. Okay, Chowman, right? So here you can actually see there is Chowman Koramangala. So the one near my house is actually Arekere. So I'll just go with this for now, right? And you can actually see that they have offers like 149 on select items, and 50 when it's above 250, and 50% off up to 100 for above 179 and whatnot, and flat 150 off for above 350, and for above 3000 it's flat 10% off, right? So let's say I actually put up chicken fried rice and chili chicken gravy, right? Now, when you go to the thing, when you go here, you actually can find out that the total cost here is actually, you can see it's 433 rupees. And here you can actually apply some coupons. For example, they've already applied 30 rupees for coupon for the 150 above thing. And I think to apply any other coupon, I need to put in my phone number. But I'm guessing you can actually use, I think, one, and they also have a delivery fee. And here, I mean, you can actually get maybe this offer, but I think if you use one of these, the other one is gone. So I used the 149 one, so I can't use the other offers, I guess. Maybe I can, I mean, or else I can use flat 50 or try new and whatnot, right? Now the same thing, I can actually go to the Chowman website, and you can actually see that they have their own things, right? For example, let's say I go home and say I say the whole rice, right? So here I get chicken fried rice. So one moment. Oh, it's not here, no? Interesting. Let me go back. So okay, let me go to main course and non-veg. So for example, I can get chicken and hot garlic sauce, or wait a moment. Let me try to see if I can get the chicken, nani chicken, lemon chicken, devil's chicken, sweet and spicy chicken and plum, chili chicken. I think it should be in list category family meal box. One moment, I'm trying to find this food. Think it should be in rice. It should have been at least fried rice, chicken fried rice. Let me look for chicken. Okay, that is chicken. There is chili chicken garlic. Okay, and that's it, huh? Okay. Um, how about starters? Non-veg. So let me see. They have chili fried chicken and then stir fried chicken. Okay, so um, just a moment. Okay, I'm not able to find this thing, but this is all squid and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I think maybe it's not available or it's in something else. I think steel deal start 139 and chili chicken. Okay, here's the chili chicken gravy and chicken fried rice small, right? So here you can see it's 338 and you can actually see that there are offers. So you can actually use offers like if you're a first time user, then you can use this. Um, I believe this is for the first time, and then this is always available, and this. So, for example, if I add tasty, it will be, I think, how much discount you got? 68 rupees discount. Initially, it had some 20 rupees discounts, and if you add Chow 50, I think this is not available because I've already applied and used it. Foodie 125, you will actually get 125 rupees over here, right? Just a moment, I think it's taking some time. Apply. Oh, interesting. Let me reload that. Remove this. Looks like I can't use it. I can use probably tasty or I can use the other one. But yeah, usually this foodie 125 is also available and it's pretty cheap to actually buy the food over here. I'm wondering why it's not allowing the whole 125 thing. Maybe I think I need to actually order for more. Um, and you can actually notice that this is a completely Chowman's website. It's called orders.chowman.net. You can actually verify that authenticity, and if you're not sure, you can actually order and then say you will pay cash on delivery. So you don't have to prepay, and the only difference between using Chowman's own website compared to say um, the Swiggy, Zomato, or Magic Pin is that Chowman's own delivery people will come and it might take more time compared to something like Swiggy and Zomato, and you will get better support probably in Swiggy and Zomato. But I think Chowman is also trying to do a lot of things here. They actually call me almost every time I order, and they ask me for feedback and all that, which can be annoying but also a good thing because they're trying to understand if the customer is satisfied. So yeah, and you can also order from Theobroma like this. So Theobroma has a website, and you can actually order on their own website. So you can actually see, for example, say, one moment, order online, click it, and you'll actually see the website called order.theobroma.in, and you can actually say you can download their app, by the way. So Chowman also has an app, and So Theobroma has their own app, right? And Chowman has their own app. So this is you engage. I think this is some app, and there are a lot of apps under you engage. One of them is Chowman. Looks like they have a lot of stuff over here. Interesting. So they have Angry Oven, Mashup, Pizza Posse, Terra Food, Bon Pizza, TLZ Coffee, Meat 99, many others. And you can actually see Nando's is here, and Meat Lane, Just Eat, Kebab Magic, Harley's, and whatnot. So there are many of them. And you can actually notice that they also have Theobroma. And other than that, you can actually order here itself online. You can just say order online, and then let's say we can say PTM layout in my case, and you can actually even send gifts, like you can say happy birthday someone and whatnot. That is in a card, and you can actually see here how they have combos, offers, different offers, and if you order on Zomato, it can be a bit more than what they say here. This is because of the platform fee and whatnot, and also the GST, different kinds of charges, and the delivery charges that Zomato and Swiggy and others take. So in this case, if you just, I mean, you can't expect it to be great though, the website or the app, because Swiggy and Zomato has been there for a long time, around a long time. So yeah, it's good enough. So let's say you want the Dutch truffle pastry. So let's say you want this the egg one. So 130 rupees, and so if you go to the restaurant like the Theobroma and buy this, you will actually have to pay, I think 130 plus taxes some 20 something, so 153 or 155 within 160. So you can actually add, say gift, and you can actually say what is the gift and whatnot, and you can actually add some add-ons like put happy birthday and things like that, and you'll actually notice that the delivery charges is pretty minimal. It's just 17 rupees, and packaging charges is 12 rupees, and the GST is 28, so it's 188, which is just 20 30 rupees more than what you would pay in the restaurant directly in Theobroma. So unlike say Zomato or Swiggy, where the delivery charges might be high and the packaging charges might be really high, and according to the GST charges might be high because GST is on the delivery and the packaging charges. So yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to say that you can actually order on these websites than something like Swiggy or Zomato, at least for Chowman, Theobroma, and anything else that has a website. I think Corner House Ice Cream in Bangalore does have a website, but they don't allow ordering in it. They just say order on Swiggy or Zomato. So yeah, so for example, if you just say um, view full menu, and then they'll just say order online, so this is for Swiggy and this is for Zomato, right? So they don't have their own ordering website, but Theobroma and Chowman have their own ordering website. So Chowman is, it's called orders.chowman.net, and for Theobroma it's called order.theobroma.in. So you can actually find it out by going to, one moment, by just clicking on order online, which comes up below. Yep. So order.theobroma.in. So yeah, that's all I had for this video, talking about how you can order on Chowman website and the Chowman app. So you can actually use the app also. So you can actually see Chowman has an app. So yep, so that is the Chowman app, and yep. So you can actually order on this also. So yeah, that's all I had for this video, talking about how you can order on the restaurant's website or app itself to reduce the delivery charges, packaging charges. But the only downside is you might not get the excellent customer support of Swiggy or Zomato, or any other apps like Magic Pin and whatnot. And yeah, I mean, but you will also get different promo codes and promotions and offers on the restaurant's website and the restaurant's app compared to Swiggy Zomato, which will have its own list of promos and offers depending on your payment method and depending on the restaurant and depending on the user, because there are very specific user based personalized promos that many platforms give. Also, these restaurants have to pay for Swiggy and Zomato. They have to pay to Swiggy and Zomato to be on Swiggy and Zomato. So I believe the cost of every item is also a bit higher than the actual cost in the restaurant in their menu. Mostly because they have to probably pay a commission probably to each and every item for each and every item that is on Swiggy and Zomato. And there's also a platform fee on Swiggy and Zomato. Usually that is not taken up by other websites, that is the restaurant's websites itself, for example Chowman or Theobroma. And yeah, the delivery can be slow in terms of like, if you're using something like Chowman website or app or Theobroma website or app compared to something like Swiggy or Zomato, which has really excellent delivery experience usually, but sometimes it may vary. So yeah, so those are the differences. I'll let you choose and order whatever you like. Like me, in my case, I don't really order much, but my partner orders a lot, so I ensure that I know the tips and tricks. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.